For second PUC biology coming first unit test, we are going to discuss some of the important questions from each chapter. Total there are 4 chapters for this first unit test. First chapter is sexual reproduction in flowering plants. From this chapter, the 1 mark questions they may ask about tapetum function, about cleistogamous and chasmogamous flower, polyembryony, false fruit, perisperm, parthenocarpic fruit they may ask. For 3 marks, they may ask you the structure of pollen grain, which is very important. Then artificial hybridization definition and 2 techniques. Then about the TS of anther. Then 5th question, anatropous ovule. So 2nd, 3rd, 4th and 5th questions are very important to the exam. For 5 marks, they may ask about the development of female gametophyte. Female gametophyte nothing but embryo sac, or it is also called as megasporogenesis. Then outbreeding devices, or it is also called as mechanism to prevent autogamy or mechanism to encourage xenogamy, cross-pollination. From second chapter, human reproduction, female reproductive system diagram, human sperm or mammary gland or seminiferous tubule, any one structure diagram they are going to ask, label diagram. Then about the definition of placenta and its function, especially the endocrine functions of placenta or the hormones released by placenta, very important. Then one more 5 marks question is menstrual cycle and its phases, 4 phases. Then other 1 mark terms like spermiation, fetal ejection reflex, colostrum and LH surge. For 2 marks, they may ask you the function of Sertoli cells and Leydig cells. Then third chapter, reproductive health. From this chapter, 5 marks question is procedure of IVF ET, in vitro fertilization embryo transfer, or the procedure of test tube baby, and expansion of IVF ET, GIFT, ZIFT, ICSI, IUI, they may ask. Then the definition of MTP, when and why MTP, they'll ask for 3 marks. Then about surgical contraceptive methods like tubectomy and vasectomy are very important. Then about IUDs, intrauterine devices like hormone releasing LNG20, copper releasing multiload 375 copper T, or non-medicated IUDs like lips loop. From 4th chapter, principles of inheritance and variation, this chapter is only about up to pleiotropy. So there are 5 marks, 3 important questions. Monohybrid cross, also called as law of segregation or purity of gamete or inheritance of one gene. Another 5 marks important question is incomplete dominance or partial dominance or blending inheritance. The third very important 5 marks question from this chapter is law of independent assortment or dihybrid cross or inheritance of 2 genes. Then for 2 marks, test cross and its significance they may ask. The other important questions like chromosomal theory of inheritance and the definition of linkage and its types. So these are few important questions for first unit test from second PUC biology. Thank you.